plus over Western Hills. Several bouts of rain moving through Saturday night as well as Sunday, brought in by these strong winds, followed by showers later Sunday. So some wet weather around Saturday night and Sunday, but the main focus are the winds. Like I say, the UK covered by a yellow wind warning, and it looks likely that northern and western parts of Britain will see other winds. Like I say, the UK covered by a yellow wind warning, and it looks likely that northern and western parts of Britain will see gales developing on Saturday night and into Sunday. But during Sunday itself, well, there's the risk of gales widely across the UK, not just around coasts, but inland as well. The exact details in terms of where is likely to see the strongest winds and when, we'll provide further details, of course, over the next couple of days.
Welcome to BBC News. The UK is facing a day of disruption as Storm Ciara sweeps in, bringing damaging winds and widespread heavy rain. The Met Office has issued an amber warning for wind across England and Wales until 9 o'clock, with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected.
Oh, it is windy out there. So, let's crack on. Let's see if we can fry 2 sausages in Storm Ciara. Let's get the sausages out. Yeah, lovely. Cooking sausages in Storm Ciara. I don't know if you can see it there, but it is blowing a gale yet again, and this is storm number 2, hence the 2 sausages. What a perfect day to demonstrate the skills of frying sausages in storms. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a little bit of gas. Nicely done. And the method I like to use is to preheat the frying pan before we put the oil on. So here we go with the oil. Not too much oil because we all know sausages contain their own ingredients for frying. Just spread them over the pan. We need the sausages. Oh, it's rocking a bit. Storm's building up. Whoa. I don't know if you can feel that out there in YouTube land, but we're rocking. What I like to use when I'm actually doing these sausages, because I've got the heat down now a little bit lower, got the sausages going, I like to use a lid. I'm not saying that's my idea, but it seems to work for me. Coming along nicely. It's all in the wrist technique. And I think these are coming along very nice indeed. Okay, I'll give you 2 sausages cooked successfully in the English Pennliner in Storm Ciara. And let's see how good these sausages are now. Oh, success again. Absolutely perfect. It seems to me that sausages cooked in storms taste twice as good as normal. I think in the next storm, and we're sure to have one, I might go for an egg. Yes. And if we keep on having storms at this rate in England, by April, I could have a full English. It could be up here. Now that would be something. I might even invite somebody to have breakfast in a storm with me. I've had the rocking a little bit here. It is coming down. That was delicious. My compliments to the chef. I think we'll come back to the wash and go. I'll still be there later.